places that you can visit. I think those would be pretty cool. It's pretty cool info, like, you know, especially if you've been to a place that you never been to before and stuff like that. It helps out. It really helps out. Um, a bunch of these things I didn't know. I didn't know before coming to the Philippines, y'all, and I'm telling you, it's gonna save you a lot of stress. A lot of stress. I stressed. I stressed a lot not knowing a bunch of things, especially with the 13A visa. The 13A visa process, and oh my god, I think that was the most stressful thing, but because there were just so much speculation, and you think this, you think that, and you're not sure, but you know at the end of the day, uh 13A visa process it's not as bad. It's actually not a lot of requirements, but it does take time. It takes time for sure. March I have to go to, yeah, next month I have to go to Zamboanga City, and I'm gonna apply for the 13A visa, so we'll see how that goes. I'm excited to see what happens. So I'm gonna make some videos in Zamboanga City. Zamboanga City is a pretty cool place to go and explore. Also, another great place to go visit is Bohol. Bohol, there's a lot of beaches and stuff. So yeah, it's nice, real nice. A lot of Iceland hopping. I've been dreaming of you tonight and tomorrow. This one is this video right here is getting some nice views. What's bad about the Philippines? 49 views in the same day. That's pretty good. I mean, it's not nothing like out of this world, but I only had a couple of blogs that get like that the views go like this like in a day or two. My wedding blog, that one got like 400 something within a couple days. A 7-Eleven blog I did, that one got some decent. And the, the 7-Eleven blog, it was actually pretty cool. Going to 7-Eleven in Asia, especially like in Korea. Or Korea, I seen it in Korean dramas and stuff, but it's pretty interesting because